My name is Ruti and I'll tell you how to bird with two. Here lies number 2. Here we make a curve. Here we make her beak. Then we made her eyes. Then there we make her wings. Then we make a branch. Then here we make then we make her tail. See, our bird is ready. See, the bird is. Subscribe my video and